this opinion being leaked is unprecedented and can even erode public trust of the court. What the ruling means for Ohio will be determined by the final decision. The Supreme Court's draft opinion on Roe v. Wade being leaked to the public is an unprecedented measure, according to Lee Strang, a professor of law and values at the University of Toledo.
I'm not aware of there being a draft majority opinion publicly circulated before this incident, so this does seem to be something new.
The draft opinion was written by Justice Samuel Alito. In the opinion, Alito wrote that the cases Roe v. Wade and Planned Parenthood v. Casey must be overruled. But just because this version of the draft was leaked does not mean it is the final verdict.
There will be more drafts that come after this. And there is some fluidity in the language of that opinion. The language that we saw in Justice Alito's opinion, draft opinion, will not be what is the final opinion. Some of it will be the same, some of it will be different.
But even though it isn't the final draft, the draft being leaked creates public pressure from both sides of the aisle for justices, as justices can still change their mind. Whether the leak will play a role in the justices' decision on the case is yet to be known, but can happen.
One of the reasons that the secrecy is so important is that the justices don't want to feel as if they are under public pressure to write exactly what the American public wants in their legal opinions, in resolving these disputes. That's a big question now. Will justices change their votes because they feel the pressure of public opinion and public outcry about the outcome of this case? There are some who think that there may be two justices willing to change their votes because of that public pressure, and therefore we see a more divided court.
With no final decision from the court, the future of reproductive rights isn't known. For Ohio specifically, if Roe v. Wade is overturned, Ohio state officials would decide what is legal.
The Supreme Court